Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We are preparing blackened Cajun chicken. So these are the recipe we'll be using. We'll be using 2 pounds of chicken breast, and we'll be using chicken bouillon. We'll be using salt, oregano. We'll be using dry thyme. We'll be using black pepper, onions, garlic, and then cayenne paprika too. So those are the ingredients we're using. So we'll put the measurement in the caption. So let's dive in the cutting part. So you can cut however you want to cut yours. Well, I'll cut mine a little bit flatter so that it will be easy to cook inside. Thank you. I don't know how you cut yours. This is how I decide to cut mine. To cut like, I won't try to do as flat as I can get. This is the last one for the chicken. Remember, we're using 2 kilos. You can actually buy the fillet one if you want, but I want to cut mine. Yeah. Yeah. So all the ingredients can go in properly. Same thing I will do all. Yeah, we have done cutting the chicken as much as we can do. So that will be adding all the ingredients we are using. You will see the measurements for the caption. Everything. Ooh, salt. I even remember leaving one for that one for now. Hey, that in my hand. I know some people will be thinking, oh, the hand is dirty, why not using hand gloves? I just want to use my hands, so once and for all, at times hand gloves are falling off your hands, so I just decided to do this one. Sorry, don't be angry if you see me using my hand. You can use gloves if that's what you like. So sorry, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Please comment, and even if the comment you have is why you didn't use your gloves, but that's fine. I will also explain to you in the comment section the reason I didn't use gloves. Thank you. I really appreciate you. You noticed the wrong things I did, or things I do wrong. Thank you. You can see I mixed it very well, everything blend together. So the next one is just to start frying it. At this time we're not deep frying it, we just use a little vegetable oil to do that. Thank you and stay tuned. I'll add half cup of oil for now. Wait for a few minutes before putting the chicken. The oils are not hot yet because I do not want it to be making noise when I'm putting them. So now we just start adding. The same thing I will just be doing. When I'm done with this one, remove it, then put the next bag. You just have to be continuous.
but it depends on what you like. Agbolo super, and the jam you go swallow to go inside. Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black cutter. Garnish everything with the pomo. Put the onions and pepper, make Maggi no much with the dick and go inside. Yummy taste. We get it from many ways. Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. Full white rice in a day party. My samosa tight, no elastic. I want chop yam and beans. I want a 4 kilo and wheat. I want like 1 kilo of beef. I don't go chop it, no be rice. I go see, I know things salad on the vibe. No can fish up, no local on the table. You go confirm and say you don't belly food.
I'm offing the stove. Okay. Just the same thing we did before. See, we don't fry them. One is ready.
Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like. Agbolo super, and the jam you go swallow to go inside. Get a fish and okra.
So this is the last one for the chicken. Thank you. If you watch to this part and you're not subscribed yet, please help us to subscribe and then share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Voila! We are done with our chicken fry. Look at it. See how crispy and beautiful. Look at it. You don't really need to taste it before you really know this chicken is tasty. What can you do with this chicken? You can use it as you have a flat bread. You can just slice them and put inside the flat bread. Just add some vegetables to it. You're good to go. Your lunch is ready. You can also use this in salad. Maybe you have a cooked food, rice, and whatever you have already. There is no meat in your stew and all that. This can be your support. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you on our next video. Bye. I'm just going to show you so you see inside. See inside. You really don't. Let me show you this thick one inside. Remember, because we slice it and then we also use the knife to break them. So this is how they look like. This is really Please try yours and let us know how it goes. Thank you.
I want like 1 kilo of beef. I no go chop it, no be rice. I go see, I no fin salad on the vibe. Cook and fish up, on the